Hi guys, welcome to BestSub TV. I'm Katrina. Today I will introduce our new Sublimation two-tone color ceramic mark collection. And in this collection, we have 3 different colors: blue, gray, and purple. And they come in color inert and handled and has large blank for you to sublimate with vibrant image. And that 11 ounce is very suitable for print with your Tumbler heat press. And next I will show you how to print with Tumbler heat press and Otter press. If you are curious about the final result, keep watching.